To start yung program natin, so again, ang gagamitin natin is student grades using array and for loop. So yung first step na gagawin natin is to create yung magiging array natin. So sa array, gagamit ako ng data type na string. So meaning, ang i-receive natin dito will be yung student name. Okay, so student names, and then since ito yung first variable natin and we are creating it from the scratch, so ang sasabihin natin, isa itong new string. Okay? And then isi-set lang natin yung magiging value natin sa array natin into 5. So let's say for example, i-accept natin yung maximum number of student names hanggang 5. Kaya meron siyang 5 dito. Okay? So after nun, magkakaroon naman tayo dito ng student grades. So since ang grades is a whole number at saka number sila, numeric, gagamitin natin na data type is yung int. And then again, since array siya, magkakaroon lang tayo ng opening and closing bracket para sa array natin. Then i-receive natin yung student grades. Then set natin yung new int. So since 5 names ang i-receive natin, isi-set din natin yung 5 grades. So meaning, meron tayo ditong 5 students, and yung 5 students na yon, they have each of them meron silang grades na mare-receive. Okay, let's say for example, ang student 1 natin will be si Dean, and ang magiging grade ni Dean for example ay 90. So yung student name mo will be si Dean, ang student grade will be this one. So meron kang 5, so pwede tayo mag-receive ng 1 hanggang 5 na students. So yan yung gagawin natin.